Hi, this is Narendra from Flavors for All. What you are seeing on your screen currently is the vegetarian chop. It's all made from soya, and you can see the crowd. People are enjoying the chop here. So Malai chop, Afghani chop, different type of chops are available, and with garlic, spicy, non-spicy, whatever you want is available here. So here's the gravy. It's almost 5 degrees here. So we are again in Ludhiana. So this is actually near Shahpur Road, near Shubhani Building Chowk, Ludhiana, Punjab. एक मिनट So we can see all are made from soya chunks, and we have so पाजी आपका नाम क्या है?
पुनीत
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 ओके मेरा फूड चैनल है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप जो बना रहे हैं अभी। कभी शुरू करते हैं? दिन में सुबह से शुरू होता है ये?
सर 5 बजे शुरू करते हैं, शाम को 5 बजे से।
5 से
सर 11
बजे तक। बहुत बढ़िया। ये एरिया का नाम क्या है, अगर सपोज किसी को और को आना? सॉरी,
सुहानी बिल्डिंग चौक सर।
सुहानी बिल्डिंग चौक ना? You can see so it's owned by Mr. King. You can see the phone number also on the. That's the guy. So guys, this is a half plate of the soya garlic chop which I had ordered, and it looks amazing. In this cold winter, where the temperature is 5 degrees almost in Ludhiana. So I'll just check how's the taste now. It's super yum.